Welcome to the ultimate guide to airport arrivals, specially designed for beginners. We're here to assure you that navigating through the hustle and bustle of an airport post-flight can be a breeze. From disembarking the plane to claiming your baggage, we're going to walk you through every single step. So buckle up and get ready to become an expert in navigating airport arrivals. Once the plane lands, the first step is to disembark the aircraft. Now, this might seem like a simple step, but it's important to do it right. You'll need to wait until the seatbelt sign is turned off. This is your green signal that it's safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. As you do this, remember to check the seat pocket in front of you and the surrounding area. You don't want to leave anything important behind, like your passport or your phone. It's surprising how often these things get forgotten in the hustle and bustle of disembarking. Next, you'll exit the plane in an orderly manner. This isn't a race, so no need to push or rush. Everyone is just as eager as you are to get off the plane, and everyone will get their turn. Remember, patience is key here. It might take a bit of time, but you'll be off the plane soon. Once you're off the plane, it's time to head to immigration and customs. Look for the signs in the airport that point you in the right direction. They're usually large, clear, and in multiple languages, so don't worry about getting lost. As you follow these signs, you'll typically come across a section where you need to fill out some forms. These might include immigration forms or customs declaration forms. Take your time to fill these out accurately. They'll ask for basic information like your name, passport number, and the purpose of your visit. After completing these forms, you'll join a queue. This is where you wait for your turn to speak with an immigration officer or use e-gates when possible if traveling without children. Keep your passport and boarding pass handy, as well as any other documents you've been asked to present. The officer may ask you a few questions about your trip. Be honest and concise in your responses. Once you're through with immigration, you'll move on to customs. Here you may need to declare certain items you're bringing into the country. This could include food, plants, or large amounts of currency. You'll find information about what needs to be declared on the customs forms. Remember, every country has different rules and regulations, so it's important to do a bit of research before you travel. But don't worry too much. The process is straightforward, and there are always staff members available to help if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask airport staff if you're unsure where to go. They're there to help. After clearing immigration and customs, you'll head to baggage claim. This is where you'll reunite with your checked-in luggage. Most airports have large digital screens displaying flight numbers and corresponding carousels. Simply match your flight number to the carousel number and voila, you've found the right spot. Now, locating your luggage on the carousel can sometimes feel like a game of spot the suitcase. To make this easier, it's a good idea to have something unique on your luggage, like a colourful ribbon or a distinctive luggage tag. This will make your bag stand out in the sea of similar-looking suitcases. But what happens if your luggage doesn't show up? Don't panic. Head over to the lost baggage office, usually located nearby. Provide them with your luggage receipt. Yes, that little sticker they gave you at check-in, and they'll assist you in tracking your missing bag. Once you've collected your luggage, you're almost done. Next, you need to exit the airport. Follow the signs to exit or ground transportation. If you're meeting someone, they might be waiting at the arrival hall. This is also where you usually find holiday package reps to guide you to ongoing transport. If you're catching a cab, bus, or train, these are usually well signposted. Some airports even have dedicated apps or information desks to help you find your way. And just like that, you've successfully navigated airport arrivals. Welcome to your destination. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. First, we learned the ins and outs of disembarking the plane, followed by the steps to navigate to immigration and customs with ease. Then, we dealt with claiming our baggage swiftly and the best strategies to exit the airport without a hitch. It's a lot to take in, but remember, it might seem overwhelming at first. But with a little knowledge and preparation, you'll be navigating airport arrivals like a pro in no time. Safe travels.